Imagine walking into a room full of decision makers where your expertise isn't just assumed, it's certified. In a world where businesses rise and fall on the strength of their people, the role of human resources professional has never been more critical. But in this competitive landscape, having experience alone isn't enough. It's time to set yourself apart, to validate your knowledge, and to earn the recognition you deserve. HR certification is not just a career milestone, it's a game changer. So, are you ready to take your career to the next level? Train Me Today will be by your side all the way with our expert-led courses that mix real-world scenarios, humor, and flexible learning. From interactive lessons to personalized support, we ensure you're prepared and entertained every step of the way.